up? Welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing today? So in today's video, I am going to be doing another ginger red coffin box. Now, I'm so excited for this box. It feels like it took a bit to get to me, so it's here now after the long journey that it had. I didn't pay for this box with my very own money, so they did not send this to me, so I just wanted to say that. There's my dolls. It's my doll collection going on. I like my dolls. In the box, there is a business card. It just says Ginger Red Coffin. And then there is the contacts. Got some cards that they always give. This one actually has Krampus on it. Really cool. And then it has like a little Christmas poem on the back. And then for the theme, it is Seasons Creepings. Really cute. And then on the back of this, it just has everything that is in the box and the prices, which I actually really like. Everything is all inside. I did not open this one, but where'd my scissors go? Found them. Get some sneak peeks because I'm just impatient. You know what I do with these? I do this. And I dress myself up in worms. And then I find them days later. Just because I can. And I can make a mess if I want, because I can. I shouldn't be putting these all over me, you know, Rona. Oh well. Piece of paper in here. Oh, you know that there is something missing, which was due to like COVID and everything. I guess they didn't get their items shipped out in time, so it will be in my next box of theirs, which will be for January. So it's actually just this little like air freshener that just says Seasons Creepings on it. That is okay, which I already knew about because I watch everybody else's boxes. Okay, next thing is a stone, which you do get stones in boxes every month, which I do have the other one I did get from them. It's actually over there. So I'm happy to get another one. And it just comes in this really cute little like lace bag. And it says like what it is. So I do keep these so I remember what the stone does and stuff. A black obsidian. I'm probably killing that word, but I'll let you guys pronounce it. Black obsidian. A black stone. Just looks like this. Just a black one. So this stone creates protective energy. So it pretty much gives me like a shield of protection. You see that? I'm gonna use my stone on you for my shield for protection. I'll take that. I need me some protection. That's cool. I'm definitely gonna be putting that over there. Oh, my other stone. Thing is, ooh, I've seen this in the boxes. This is really cool. This is a spooky holiday charm bracelet. Now, I'm not really like a bracelet kind of girl or like a ring kind of girl. I'm not really like a necklace kind of girl either. More of like a choker and like an earring girl, you know? I'm weird. This is so cute. It has like a skeleton on it, Jack skeleton, a pumpkin, a lollipop, a snowflake. Oh, there's a bat, there's a Christmas tree, there's another pumpkin. This is so cute. Like, look at the little skull man. And like Jack skeleton is right there. Pumpkin. Look at lollipop. So adorable. I love this. Thing is a, ooh, what is this? This is a lip scrub. I've never tried a lip scrub before. It is the Ginger Red Coffin. They actually made this. It's cookies for Krampus, and it is in gingerbread. That's the little, oh. It's in gingerbread. This is what it looks like, and it's like red. Oh, this smells so good. Oh, it smells like a gingerbread cookie. Like, ooh, that's sweet. I'm excited because my lips always get so dry. Next is a liquid lipstick. They do give makeup away every month too, like an eyeshadow or a lip gloss or like a liquid lipstick or something. This one is from Lunatic Cosmetics. Look how bright that is. Definitely wear that. Ooh, it smells like mint. Smells good. This is a bookmark, which is cool because I actually don't have a bookmark. And it just looks like this. It's so cute. That's what it looks like. Creeping it real. It says. Got another cute little bag. Little name for it. And they gave a little sticker too. Like skull. It's like red eyes. It's a cute little like bow. Here's a little skeleton again. Pretty cute. I like these type of things too. I always wear these type of things in my hair. Just depends like what I'm doing. Okay, I got a little candy cane. But it's gross. I don't like it at all. I don't like this at all. Ugh. I love Oreo cookies and stuff, just not as a sucker. Last thing is this. This is really cool. They gave you, ooh, a little chocolate chip cookie recipe. So that's pretty cool. I like myself some chocolate chip cookies. I like the cute little oven mitt. It says Seasons Creepings, and this is actually like pretty good quality. Like, there's like little grips on the bottom of it and everything. It's pretty cool. You know, grab your pot. Everything that was in my Ginger Red Coffin box. I hope that you guys did enjoy this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye, guys.